Hello, everyone. This is Weatherman Nate, and it's raining out here. It's raining and breezy. Look at that wind. The wind done started. It's a cold front. Y'all, look at them leaves. Look at the leaves, y'all. Look at the leaves. Look at those trees over there. Look at those trees over there. Y'all see them trees? Oh, snap. Oh, snap, y'all. Look at them leaves that fell right there. Look at that tree over there. I'm trying to stay still as much as I can, y'all. Look at that wind, y'all. Oh, snap. That's a strong wind right there. Oh, snap. What was that? That tree. I'm trying to get a good video of the wind, but I keep... Let me see. Let me put the camera right here right quick. All right, y'all. So this is it. Y'all are going to be able to see the wind better with the camera still, y'all. I'm trying to do my best here. This is it. Look at that wind. That wind over there. Yeah, y'all. This is what I love to do. Record Mother Nature. Cause she is a beauty. Look at that tree over there. Them clouds rolling fast. One time, y'all, I thought it was going to be a tornado. I don't know what I was thinking. Yes, I do. Look, the only thing that came to my mind was tornado. But it's not. Listen to that roar. Listen to that roar. That's the wind. Oh, sweet Jesus. Y'all hear that roar? That's the cold front, ain't it? Ain't no way. That's the wind. As soon as that wind start blowing, I'm gonna put my camera right here. Uh-oh. I think I'm gonna get me a good wind gust on camera this time. Look at them leaves. Oh, snap! Y'all hear that roar? Look at them leaves in the air. All right, y'all. Yep. Uh-oh. Oh my goodness. Y'all, look at that wind. Lord Jesus. This is a very intense batch of wind that's coming through right now. Y'all saw that wind a while ago? That looked like it could have been intense. If you open up the door, you can hear the wind roaring through the air, but the rain is like making everything complicated. Like to hear the wind. You can hear the wind in the air. Look at this. Look at those trees over there. I'm trying to get a good video of it. Woo! You can hear the wind in the air. Sound like a freight truck. Sound like a freight truck. Yo! Sound like a freight train out here, huh? Alright, y'all. This is a very good and exciting storm. I love Mother Nature. Thank God. God bless this storm. God bless you guys that's watching this video. Yo, this, y'all, I'm gonna clap y'all. I'm gonna clap y'all. This was a good storm, y'all. All right, everybody, that's it for this video. I am gonna have to end it here because I'm about to go eat, y'all. I am about to go eat some breakfast. Got some pork chops, some mac and cheese. My grandma cooked good this morning, so we're about to eat good. And I'll see you in my next video. Oh, it is raining again hard. It's raining hard again. I see you in my next video, y'all. God bless. God bless you all.